Okay, so here we go. Last video was just adding a little texture to make this kind of have like a vintage feel to it. Okay, so right now it's just straight up color, vector shapes, and we want to make it look like it was from the 20s. All right, so everything's locked. I'm going to grab my rectangle tool, and it's set right now to red. Let's see what happens, okay? So I'm going to cover the whole thing. Try to. Okay. Oh, duh. I need a new layer. Sorry. Cover the whole thing. All right, and that's okay. So now we're gonna go back to that appearance layer. All right. And here we get the fill. Okay. So I'm gonna go to opacity, and I'm gonna switch this to overlay. And that's fine. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go to effects. And I'm going to go to artistic and I'm going to try, I think sponge looks pretty good. You can try film grain as well. It's like we're not getting into anything wacky. We just want to add a little texture to it. I'm going to go to sponge and it's going to make it look like that. And I'm just going to make it smoother. Definition, you can play with like how much it goes. We're just trying to add like a little flavor to it. And then brush size, okay? And go, okay. And it's gonna apply it. And Illustrator is gonna crash, which is great. And let's see, I'm gonna zoom in and see if it's there. And I don't see it. Where'd it go? Other day, it was not, for whatever reason, loading as quickly. Let's try another. What if I go to multiply? Maybe I'll see it. Okay, it's on there. I can see it better with multiply. But now it's too much. And for whatever reason, my computer is having just a buck ton of lag on it. I don't know why. I'm gonna go down a little bit more if it stops doing that. Okay. So maybe 40%. Let's try it there. Progress. Let's see. Okay, this was going on yesterday, and I don't know why. This mask came on. So let me click. Don't clip. Somehow it put a mask in there. I don't know why. There we go. Now I can see it. Okay, there's the texture. Maybe it was doing that before. Let me try it to overlay. So if you don't see it and it comes in, try just undoing the clip button. Again, I'm just looking to see if there's like a little bit of texture that's showing up. Try soft light. I might just go back to multiply because I'm not seeing anything with the other ones. But then it's too much, so I'm going to bring it way down to like 18. Last adjustment, 30. I think 30 is going to be it. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so whatever reason this clip comes on, just uncheck it, okay? And I don't know why I started doing that yesterday, but if I zoom in, I can see it there. And that's kind of nice. And, you could, gives it like a little warm up, which is nice. If you want the type to be bolder, you know, feel free to drag your texture, behind it. I don't think it changes it that much. But again, it's just for like adding a little atmosphere to it, okay, to make it look like it's kind of old and whatever. We'll be getting into adding more textures and all that stuff later on. I'm gonna lock it, give it a name. It's not the background. I'll just call it texture. Okay, and that's it. So remember to save your projects. So you're going to do 3 of these. So I'm going to go to File, do a save first. Okay, Bauhaus 1. I'm going to add something there. FNL to final. Oh, this is great. Hit OK. And then to hand it in, you're going to save it as a PDF. Okay, so I'm going to go File, Save As, Adobe PDF. That all looks good. Save. And there it is. I don't know why it gave that weird sign. But yeah, there you go. Okay, great. Have fun.